Puddles on the pavement, heart heavy, drowning in amazement. Tears blend with the storm in the basement. Clouds low like the ceiling of containment. Water stains where the dreams used to hang, leaking truths that I never could bang. Umbrella broke, now the pain boomerang. Splashback every step out of climb. Rain, it falls, it calls, it never ends. Rain is causing out and nauseating. Put it, do it, who they know for that. Put a drove it, I can never let. It bends, pretends, it's all my friends. Rain and drowns around, that's how it sends me down again, down again, down again. Down again, down again, down again. Windows fog, writing ghosts with my fingers. Cold dress where the memory lingers. Every drop sings with a no soft key. Symphony of loss, it was never for me. Wipers can't clear the blur of my sight. Street lights mirror turning gold into fright. Mirror shows a face of the storm rewrote. Rain writes my story, every line's a quote. Falling, it's falling, the weight of the sky. Calling, it's calling, no answer reply. Pouring, it's pouring, the heavens on side. Drowning, I'm drowning, don't ask me why.